kutangana nayo ndamura to the rest Obina to the Obinesti tsomu terere ndo vekutanga ndona ndo jasura chimbotenderera tsomu terere wakaita the third rules to the third oldest ndikati where are you going with the third sons of God and you being the bridesmaids and the third foot step but zvanga zvinangidza zvavo pavaonana naObina vakamborosana vakahagana vakambodada. That's so caustic. That's what you call friendship, true friendship. A lot of people in the comment section were saying, wow, that's what we call friendship. In my life, I also want a tsomu terere. If I have a tsomu terere like this, you will never have problematics, because when you have a many as a friend like tsomu terere, these are the people who are saying this in the comment section. Mind you, this was early in the morning, before the other clip appeared in the internet or searched. That's all I can say. You know what? There are advantages sometimes of having a male friend like in terms of biology. For us, the women who speak a lot, we wanted to have a lot of friends. My friend is Monica, Dorcas, Tsomu, they are my friends. There's the people I call Dorcas and Jipo and Sarah. When they come in my life as female friends, they take everything. They go sit in my house and in my couch. They go sit in front of my gate. After sitting in front of my gate or at the baggage, they take every gossip, even if it delays the gossip, they take it and flew away with it and start spreading like wildfire. But this is actually totally different from when you have a male friend. Male friend, it's rare to get some people who are gossipers. Yes, they are there. We cannot deny the fact that there are some men who can gossip, but it's like 2-3%, totally different from females. We can't at all. And even if you know something, you make sure you have to spread it. That's the problem of this multiologist. The multiologist of us ladies is just too strong. No wonder why some people don't have friends in their lives. I don't know who. Me, if you say, oh, who is your best friend? Me, I think I will say my mother is my best friend. That's what I can say. So, yeah, for the meantime, and also my brothers are my best friends. That's all I can say. I don't know those who have best friends. Maybe it depends with your blood. The blood that runs in your veins can tell you that, you know what, you are good at making friends with ladies or not. For some of us, it's not in our veins. We are not born like that. Maybe the veins of our blood is just to stay with your family as your friends. Because if you say past that, that's when you start to have all those 16. Some of us, we will say, oh my God, why have you forsaken me and bring this person in my life? So to stay away from danger zone, you say, okay, let me just keep the danger. But going back to the tsomu issue, wow, the pictures went viral. My pictures were matching shoes. People were saying, oh my God, even the matching shoes. So you had to. You can see, show them tsomu terere that you can also lombos through this brown shoe. They were matching the shoes. Obina and tsomu terere had similar shoes. That was so nice in the cocoa stick. Vakatoka mapicture it was really nice. Congratulations, ashive ipapo manje vazobuda zvava pane imwe vhidhiyo vanga chinzi vabuda. I actually didn't know kuti nhasi kwakune court day kwavainda. Ndofunga nenhau iya ex-friend wavo uya kuda ndofunga ichiri kuindirira kudi kudare redzimhosva, asi vanga vaina Obina. I'm like, what? Obina aita esikoti muri akati handikoti kwacho ikoko. I will stand with you in the water, I will be with you. In the saint, I will be with you. In the media street, I will be with you. In the court of law, I will be with you. Hey, this man chaiwo anga vachifamba vari vese wabuda zvavo. Now Wasu anga aripo. Wasu let me say Wasu, I didn't know kuti Wasu is like that. Wasu anezienda nekuenda hakana kusazingamboitika chakanaka chakanaka mukakahungwe Wasu nezvo zvake asi wanga ariko zvake Wasu ndatomona Wasu was there as well. So and Obina, I was really shocked with Obina is coming out from the court with the Mura as well. Wow, that's something. That's very something. I don't know what to say. Wow. And some people are saying newlyweds. I don't know. Maybe there is somewhere they say they are newlyweds that I have no idea. I am not so sure if they have wedded or not. But Vamotans newlyweds wedded people. So I know that I get to my comments. What van pama pictures angashinakidza zvawo besides ekukoti aya ndangoti turuturu nayo zvikanzi. Tsomu, that look though, third wheel. This just made me happy. I love MaiTt's friendship na Tom. Ma good vibes ega. Mumuite henyo best girl pamuchato. Tom is your real nigga show. That guy, he really likes you. Kutoti murifu rendi yake kuenda. You can say that again. It's so true. They have a great friendship. You know, father, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Thomas Chizhanje na Feli ngashinde mberi. Ndianiko ane phone ine data page go. Ndinewekerawo tsompe. Zvikanzi nevamwe zvakare. Obina, I beg you, that spiritual husband is for you. If you did hate MaiTt, not only the spiritual husband will come for you all the kids, kittens, nemakatsi bunga. Ese unaona meow. Nevanhu kupi comment section kana hazvina kushata zvikanzi nevanhu ukati mavonga hasi akaenda kurwese here handizokuzvoreve izvozvo zvikanzi meow vamwe wavo tell him wo my sister wedded go zvikanzi uchamaurwa zvako zvikanzi nevamwe zvakare I'm with you hazisi kuti vangu achiti kudi vamwe wavo. Looking good to Kate mother and Kate father, no forgetting Kate spiritual thing. I like that he never give up. Even my hater Akamtuka say, love you, our Kate friend Tom. You are a good friend, true friend to the Kate families. Tom was also expecting a muchodo. This muchodo thing, it's a very delicious thing because there is a mumbundo. After mumbundo, there is a muchodo. You cannot just meet the muchodo and the muchodo. It's impossibilities. That's all I can say. Looking good, guys. May God, Lord, be with you. I need the confidence that Tom in my life. So beautiful, Tom should be your best man by waiting on your side, Demora. True friend, Chayoma Streets, ano milanewe singabuiti. Zikanzi, mura chena shame. Even the kid father looking good. Vana, what eroku, my comments. You made my day, but the spiritual husband and physical husband. I like Tom Hangu, he is your best chero jikadi. Much love. Spiritual husbands are very new, Tom. Tom, the BFF who is always there for MaiTt through thick and thin. Vamo up. And through your darkest places, and he brings light to brighten you up. Keep him forever and ask Kate Father if he can be your best man. Tom, you are representing I was smart spiritual husband. Why did the Ogakuti brown shoe unazo waiwa ukumiramira blazika hate wangona snambiti. These are the people leaders of the kitten and the cat family. Tom, how many times did I call you? Very nice. And their shoes are almost the same. Yes, so much wakoma. Nakushata. People were just praising relationship or friendship, identity friendship. Na mura to the rest mother. That's all I can say. Saka chingoti udana nzukuti manje tsomuterere pa vanhu vanenge vachiperekedza definitely ndiye munhu chatanga achipa mwoyo kutobatsira kuorganiza ndizozivo ahanzi kuti uchaita kudiwe madzimai here kana kuti uchaenda kundoita vaperekedzi kudivi kwaobhina kana kuti definitely cause obhina unogona kungone chi unewo best man yake. Saka handizo kuti unozokwanisa kuti best man panonzi best girl wamaiT paya. Saka tsomu terere unenge uchinzi best chi, best friend odii. Vamwani vakapfeka madhirezi majujeti. Saka tsomu terere unenge wakapfekei? Me, I'm trying to imagine. Why would be tsomu terere wearing? Oga cannot have tsomu terere as a best man. Maybe Oga has got a brother. So tsomu terere cannot be a best man for Oga, for Obina. Tsomu terere will belong to this side of Mura's gate family because tsomu terere is the relative of who? Of Mura. Tsomu terere will be wearing a suit that look like a dress or what? I am confused. My imagination is now going crazy because I wanted to imagine. Because I remember this other time when this other lady had to wear a suit like the other male or the other gentlemen who were also the grooms and the bridegrooms of the groom's list. Akapeka suit. So tsomu terere should also wear something. I don't know what they will do. Maybe we'll see something unique because Mura is always doing something different and surprise. See, celebrities, they can surprise you. They can surprise and shock the whole of the entire world. Saka ndazvo ndanga songo muzuva ranhasi ndichingoti woudhani tsomu terere Oga and Mura and all the best nekoti kesi yenyu yamuri kuenda nayo. Handisi kuti zvichafamba sei, but ina handina munhu ndoshuvira kuti ange achizova on the wrong side of the law. That's all I can say. Who am I to judge? Saka ndichakubata zvakare pachikamu chinotevera.